Hi everyone, welcome back to 𝗖адцTV channel. Today, I'm going to tell you a story on how the 3D experience platform transformed these four partners, Mr. Pete, Mr. Don, 𝗖адц𝗹𝗹𝗯 and 𝗏𝗏𝗏, accelerating the product development process and maximizing the innovation using collaborative industry Innovator. The 3D experience platform is a secure cloud-based environment with a single and easy-to-use interface, allowing Mr. Pete, the project manager, to create, assign, and track task progress at any time and anywhere to ensure his team stay up to date on the project responsibilities. By leveraging the cloud-based platform, his team can eliminate communication silos, making it easy to work with everyone. The designers, Mr. Don and 𝗏𝗏𝗏, are able to work in parallel as they have instant access to updates made by other contributors. This allowing real-time concurrent design, enhanced decision-making, and faster design maturity. Because the designs are managed in the secure cloud-based environment, enabling access to not only to the designers, but also other departments like 𝗏𝗏𝗯, the analyst, can quickly simulate and analyze the design. This platform automatically ensures everyone in the team is up to date with the design and related data, so that it can reduce the likelihood of errors. As the design is securely accessible to everyone, this enables Mr. Pete to review and identify issues or risks earlier in the development process. Mr. Pete maintains real-time status visibility in customized dashboard views to ensure projects advance according to the defined milestones. So as you can see, this platform makes it easy to see specific tasks with assigned team members in a secure cloud-based environment that is single and easy to use interface at any time, anywhere from any device. In this collaborative environment, Mr. Pete's team is always up to date as they are accessing their real-time data. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as more amazing videos are coming to you. Contact us now to find out more about our Merdeka promotion, and happy Independence Day! Merdeka, Merdeka, Merdeka! Bye!